Hi guys, it's Dr. Mohammad Usman and I am back with another video. If you haven't liked my YouTube channel, do visit my YouTube channel and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated. You can also visit my Facebook page for updates. So let's talk about today's topic. So today we will be talking about the basic difference between project lifecycle versus product lifecycle. If you haven't viewed my project lifecycle video, you can visit on my YouTube channel and you can visit that video and you will be aware of what are the project life cycles, and you can just move up to this video. So starting from the very basics, when we are talking about project, we know that a product or a service can be a result of a project. So starting from the project, we can have a initial idea that can be a project or a process. It can have some intermediate phases and there will be a final closing out of that project, and out of that we can get that product which will move into operations or maintenance or upgradations or an innovative launch depending on that product. So basically the product is the basic aim to start a project, the service is a basic aim to start a project. So projects will deliver you products that can be used for different analysis and that can be used in the market. So the project life cycle is smaller than the product life cycles, and it is how, because when we are moving into the product and we need an upgrade of that product, we can start a new project that is called an upgradation project. Whereas the first time when we will be working on the new product, it will be a new project and it was called the new project making project. So there are two differences between both of them. So talking about the product life cycle, it can have an idea, it can be a study, it can be generated through a trigger. It is a product that will be used up to years, it has a business value, it will be a physical kind of product, or it can be a software that can be used. Or when we are talking about the civil engineering projects, there are also products in form of different bridges, there are also products in form of homes. So basically product life cycle is more than the project life cycle. Talking about the project life cycle, we have to specify the requirements which are required to make that product. We have to produce the design specification, we have to work on the product and deliverables, we have to do the user acceptance testing, we have to make up the manuals, we have to make up the implementation, we have to make the customer satisfied. So basically the project phases will be doing all the things to make a better product or a quality product, but that project life cycle will be temporary, because after that the product will be on the shelf and it can be up to years or up to months depending on the innovation, depending on the technology. Like we are moving from one Windows to the another Windows. So when there was Windows 98, it was one project and there was a product that was Windows 98. After that there came Windows 2000 and now we are using Windows 8. So most of the time these are different projects working on different Windows. Some are working on the upgradation of Windows, some are working on upgradation of the products. So these are the basic difference between project life cycle and product life cycle. So this video was up to here. If you like my video, do visit my YouTube channel and like and subscribe to it. You can also earn training certificate from our video channel. The process is as follows, and it is easy for you. We have issued many certificates for many participants, and you can also get special certificates. So what you are waiting for? Go today to my YouTube channel and like and subscribe to it. Thank you.